Good evening everybody, Officer Woods here, back for another tutorial. Today we will be installing Player Location Display, or PLD for short. It allows you to know your exact heading, the road you're on, etc. Just this thing in the corner there. Very simple install today. So you just go and hit download on the link in the description. Download here, it is a plugin, so if we go to our downloads, Grand Theft Auto 5 mods, our mods folder, the plugins, create a new one called PLD. Go and save it in here. Okay, once it's downloaded we don't need the web page anymore, and we can get our common directory, our modded directory up, and go and get your downloads folder and locate where you've put that. Let me just put this on the side of the screen there. Okay, so you're going to go and locate to where it is, PLD here. Open it with WinRAR. You can have a look at the README if you want, it's a very simple one though. We'll go to the installation files, and it says Grand Theft Auto 5 here, so we're going to put it in our Grand Theft Auto 5 modded folder. Just grab these two files, hit Ctrl C on your keyboard to find some empty space in your directory, hit Ctrl V, and they are in. Bang! So when those two are in your game, it's all done. Basically, you can go and have a look at the configuration file if you want, but none of that really needs changing. Yeah, that's it. You'll see it next to your map when you launch up your game, and it's a very utilised, good thing to have inside of your game. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next